In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama, currently ranked 128 on CoinMarketCap. Kusama is in first crypto bear market. Kusama is down by 72% on a yearly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we've seen Kusama go down 17%. So what's next for Kusama in this bear market? Are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town? Is the bear market rally over for Kusama? And where are key levels we should pay attention to for Kusama as we continue this bear market? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Kusama's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Kusama's market cap, which currently sits around $288 billion. And then we'll take a look at Kusama's market cap, which currently sits around $288 million. We have seen Kusama's market cap drop to as low as $190 million in this bear market. If this is the end of the bear market rally for Kusama, how low can we go into Goblin Town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We saw all coins pumping to higher prices starting 2023 on a very bright note, but right now it looks as if that bear market rally is coming to an end. If we go on a weekly time frame, all coins are dumping aggressively. Kusama is down 17.1% in the last 1 week. We're still deep in the crypto bear market. On a yearly time frame, all coins are still down bad. Kusama is going through its first full crypto bear market. Kusama was one of the rock stars of the previous bull run. We saw this altcoin pump from January of 2020, rallying up from $1 region, getting to an all-time high of $612 by the end of the bull run in May of 2021. Kusama went up by more than 500x. That's what happens in the bull market, and all it took for Kusama was 486 days for it to get there. Right now, Kusama is going through its first crypto bear market, and what happens in the bear market is that we see all coins dumping to Goblin Town, and that dump can be very aggressive, that dump can be very long and brutal. We have seen Kusama dumping for the last 600 days, and we've seen it lose more than 96.46% of its value in that time frame. We started 2023 on a very bright note. We saw Kusama pumping to higher prices, rallying up from the $21.96 region, getting to as high as $46. But we've gotten rejected at that $46 region quite the number of times. That $46 region is proving to be a major bear market resistance for Kusama. So right now, if this bear market rally is over, how low can Kusama go into Goblin Town? If you see Kusama dumping, hopefully we'll find support, guys, at the $22 region. We've seen Kusama have a bounce off that level because, guys, if we don't find support there, Kusama might be dropping to lower prices in this bear market. We might just see Kusama even getting to as low as $8.4 at some point in time in the bear market. From where we're currently trading right now, Kusama will need to drop an additional 32% for us to drop to the $22 region. And if we're going lower than that, probably towards the $8.4, $8.5 region, that will be an additional 74% dump to Goblin Town for Kusama to go that low. Kusama has been dumping ever since the end of the bull run. Even though we have seen like 2 rallies that's taking us to higher prices, we had this rally right here that gave us a 238% pump to the upside. We also have this bear market rally we have seen in 2023 that have taken us up by 124%. But let's not get carried away, guys. Kusama, in the grand scheme of things, is going through its bear market, and bear markets can be very, very long. So even if it's the end of the bear market relief rally, long-term investors are still going to be accumulating, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. Guys, in the bear market is where you get your first 10x, 20x, even your first 100x pump. But all you have to do is wait patiently. Only those who survive the bear markets can be able to enjoy the pump of a bull market. And from where Kusama is currently trading right now, for it to go back to the previous all-time high, Kusama will have to rally up by more than 1,600%. Why that is very, very possible is that, guys, in the bull market, Bitcoin is pumping, altcoin market is pumping, everybody shouting kumbaya, but those people that will make the most gains by the end of the next bull run are those smart investors that are accumulating deep in the crypto bear market. When there's extreme fear in the market is where you want to be accumulating, and when we see great returns to the market is when you want to be selling for some profits. But remember, guys, You don't want to make the mistakes that a lot of market participants are making. You don't want to go all in when you're accumulating. You want to do it slowly but surely over the cost of a bear market. Guys, bear markets can be very, very long. The best method to accumulate these altcoins over the course of a bear market is by dollar cost averaging, because there's always a possibility we're going to see that huge dump to the downside. And if you have all your capital in the market, then you won't have any capital to take advantage of that wonderful opportunity. And guys, for long-term investors, accumulating the bear market is just normal, because when we get to the bull market, that's where you see them distributing all their altcoins that they bought when the market was down in Goblin Town. For example, all the smart investors that were investing in Kusama when it was down bad, trading below $5, were the same investors that were selling those Kusama back to retail investors when it was trading above $150. If you want to do that in the end of the next bull run, you have to be willing to invest deep in the crypto bear market of 2023. If you take a look at what Kusama has been doing in the last 1 year, Kusama has gone from as high as $205, dumping to as low as $21.71. With a market cap of $289 million, Kusama has a fully diluted market cap of $329 million. We have a total supply of 9.6 million Kusama coins, and out of those 9.6 million coins, we have more than 8.4 million of them in circulation. Kusama is ranked 128 on CoinMarketCap. More than 264,000 people have Kusama on their watch list on CoinMarketCap. Kusama is described as Polkadot wild cousin. Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. If you want to buy or sell some Kusama in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on Kraken, on KuCoin, on Codebase Exchange, on BitTop, on Bitfinex, on Bittrex, on Wobi Global, Gate.io, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you should be able to get some Kusama right there. If you take a look at what Kusama is doing against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in its first crypto bear market, Kusama is dumping to Goblin Town, rightly so. Guys, altcoins are very attractive in the bull market against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those altcoins are pumping to massive prices. A lot of people would have missed the Bitcoin and Ethereum both, and they're trying to make money as quick as possible. And that's why you see a lot of people in the bull market flocking towards altcoins, flocking towards Kusama. But in the bear market, we see the opposite of that. A lot of people are already scared. They have seen Kusama drop more than 90% in the last 1 year. So right now, people are willingly flipping their Kusama back into Bitcoin. They are also willingly flipping their Kusama back into Ethereum. And that's why in the bear market, you will see altcoins dumping to Goblin Town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the case of Kusama, it's down 94% against Ethereum. Against Bitcoin, we have seen Kusama also go down by more than 90%. We might continue dumping to Goblin Town if this bear market rally is over for Kusama. We might see Kusama going lower than anywhere it has traded against Bitcoin since August of 2020. But that's to be expected in the bear market. But if you accumulate in the bear market, in the bull market when Kusama is pumping to higher prices, you will be happy you made that strong decision in the bear market. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap, currently at $288 million. Guys, we've seen the market cap drop to as low as $190 million in this bear market. Can we go any lower? There's always that possibility we'll go lower than that $190 million level. How low can we go in the bear market? Only time will tell. Maybe we'll find support at the $100 million level. There's also that possibility that Kusama will just drop to as low as $100 million, and that might prove to be the bear market bottom. From where we're currently trading right now, Kusama would dump another 62% if we are to see it get to that $100 million region. Deep in the crypto bear market, Kusama has not been able to rally above the $400 million region. At the top of the bull market, we saw Kusama's market cap around the $5.2 billion region. Kusama's market cap has dropped by 96% in this bear market. If we see the market cap dropping towards the $100 million level, Kusama's market cap will be down 97%. Guys, that's somehow normal for altcoins. Why we like altcoins is that even though they can dump to Goblin Town in the bear market, they can recover and even go to set new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Kusama heading to in the coming weeks and the coming months? Do you think the bear market rally is over for Kusama? If we start dumping to Goblin Town, where are we going to find support? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2.